Germany offers free education. You might have heard this somewhere, but is it actually 100% free or just a half truth? Hi, I'm Saili. I've completed my master's in Germany at Humboldt University and I also have an experience of full-time job. And today I'm going to tell you the reality. I've come to yes. You've heard it right. Public universities in Germany have zero tuition fees. Unlike countries like UK, US, Australia, New Zealand, you don't have to pay tuition fees around 30 to 40 lakh rupees. But that doesn't mean that studying in Germany is completely free. Here's what you actually have to pay. There is a small semester contribution which you have to pay around 15,000 rupees to 20,000 rupees per semester. Then the health insurance is mandatory for students, which goes around 144 euros per month. And the most important, the block account, which is around 12,000 euros for a year. So this block account is an account that you create during your visa. You block your 12,000 euros, which means around 12 lakh rupees in this account. And then once you go to Germany, then you unblock this account and you will get per month around 900 to 1000 euros in your German account. Your monthly expense will look like this. Depending on the city you are staying, your rent will go from 25,000 rupees to 60,000 rupees for a WG or a studio apartment. For food and groceries, you will be spending around 100 euros to 200 euros per month, which is 10,000 to 20,000 rupees per month. The best part of Germany is the transport is totally free for students. The semester contribution that you will be paying for each semester, you will get the transport ticket in that ID itself. So yes, tuition is free, but living expenses are your responsibility. And the best part is you can also work part-time for 20 hours per week, from which you will be earning 10 euros to 16 euros per hour. Most of the students manage their big expenses or most of their expenses through their part-time jobs. I have worked and studied in Germany, and with right guidance, it will be your smartest decision that you will ever make. If you are planning to study in Germany, or if you want to know if you are eligible to study at a public university in Germany, then you can comment us Germany, or you can also scan this QR code and then have a personal one-to-one meeting with us at EduLex Overseas. Please like and subscribe to know more about studying abroad.